Are you one of the millions of Americans who have bought into the media hype and advertising around beets and beetroot juice? If so, this message is for you. Hello, my name is Dr. Nathan Bryan, nitric oxide biochemist and physiologist. We've all seen the advertising on TV. You can't turn on your TV radio without hearing beets. Beets this, there's beets and nitric oxide. Well, the truth is, the science has been lost in translation because beets are not nitric oxide. Beets require a certain amount of a molecule called inorganic nitrate. And unfortunately, the soils in America, food that's grown in America, are depleted in nitrogen and most nutrients. Almost all of the beet products sold on the market, these concentrated beetroot powders. I've tested every single one of these products, and they do not contain any detectable nitrate or nitrite in these. So what we have is a dead beet powder, and these are advertised on TV, but they cannot produce nitric oxide. They do not produce nitric oxide because they don't understand what's required. So beets provide zero benefit in terms of nitric oxide, the desiccated beet powders. Furthermore, if there's no nitric oxide benefit, then what's the risk? You think, well, beets are a vegetable naturally grown. New data showing that beets are the highest in oxalic acid or oxalates. These are plant-derived material or ingredients naturally occurring products that are toxic, they're damaging, they're inflammatory, they create these crystals that they can form kidney stones, increased incidence of gout, and cause really chronic inflammation and really destroy the lining of your gut. So beets are not nitric oxide. They provide no nitric oxide benefit, but yet companies are out there making hundreds of millions of dollars convincing you, the consumers, that beets are going to provide benefit. The other thing is there's a math problem. Even if the highest concentration of beets contain about 5 to 9% nitrate, what that means is to get a physiological amount of nitrate that's required to produce nitric oxide, you would need about 6 grams, 3 to 5 grams, 3,000 to 6,000 milligrams. So beets powder sold in a 700 milligram capsules, the math doesn't work. You can't get there from there. So this is why this is so important, because consumers need to be made aware and educated and informed and not be taken advantage by these deceptive, fraudulent companies that are out there convincing you that beets are nitric oxide. So again, I'm here to convey the knowledge, the information, the real science around nitric oxide so you can make informed, educated decisions and don't waste your money on beet powders and beet products that are sold online, that are sold in stores, Walmart, that are advertised all over. Beets are not nitric oxide.